Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is April 10th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see the futures are trading higher by just 1 point to 23.53 and a quarter per contract. We'll see what today's market brings. You can see the futures have come off the lows that were established around 6 o'clock this morning. However, they are starting to pull back a little bit now. So we'll see how this market plays out today. I would not rule out some weakness today and maybe even early tomorrow, but we'll see what today gives us, and we'll take it slow and steady. There's not a lot of stocks that are in the news today making big moves, but let's go over what we have out here today. I'm going to start the day off with AT&T. Looks like they are buying a company called Straight Path. Looks like an all-stock deal. You could check out the news for yourself. Let's take a look at the stock right now. AT&T right now trading at $40.45, closed at $40.54. So there's not a whole lot to do. Now, if this stock does sell off today, by some chance, you want to look at $38.45. That is a level where I will step in and buy AT&T today. So again, if AT&T sells off and it goes a little bit deeper, we're going to look at $38.45 as a buy level today for AT&T. That would be a day trade right now for today, possibly something more. I'll go over it further in the intraday stock chat room. So if you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see us trade it there. Next up, we want to take a look at Swift Transportation. SWFT is a ticker symbol there. It looks like they're merging with Knight, and Swift is really catching a bid here. So great pop on Swift Transportation, trading up toward the $24 level. The stock closed at $20.02 on Friday. So this is certainly a big pop. But now there's a lot of resistance here at 24. So just remember that. I'll be watching Swift to see if there's any other levels once the opening bell rings. Right now, I am thinking resistance, though, around the $24 area. After this, it's going to be all the way up around 25 and a quarter for the next resistance zone. It looks like you have KNX, I believe, is Knight being bought out. That's not doing all that much. The volume here is pretty light, just 840 shares. So we'll look at Knight as well once the opening bell rings. But Swift and Knight are merging, all stock merger. So that is the news there. Let's take a look at BHP Billiton. It looks like Elliott Advisors is becoming an activist investor in the stock. Stock gapping up nicely, but it is already starting to fade a little bit. So I really have a hard time seeing this get above that 39.20 level today. So again, we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see where it goes. But this has started to fade. It's still higher than the close. Closed at 36.97. It's trading at 38.13. Looks like Elliott Advisors has a whole bunch of plans for the stock, but BHP coming out and saying it's going to hurt shareholders. So again, there'll be a little bit of a battle going on there. Either way, the stock is trading at 38.13. I'm not looking to do much with it yet, but we will keep it on the radar today. So again, BHP up ahead of the opening bell today. Let's take a look at Mondelez. MDLZ is the ticker symbol here. Looks like the news on this one is the company seeking a new CEO. You can see the big spike, then it came back down. Now it's settling in at 44.70. Stock closed at 44.18 on Friday. I'm not really seeing this go much higher right now, so we'll have to wait on the news. If you do get news, positive news like that, and a CEO is announced, then the stock can make a better reaction, but there's no CEO in place, so we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at Hilton. HLT is the ticker symbol here. Looks like this is being upgraded by Goldman Sachs, added to their conviction buy list. Again, the stock is trading at 57.70, closed at 56.60, so good little pop there for Hilton. I'll give Hilton the upside bias ultimately to $59.15. I really don't see it going much above there. That would be the high end of its trading range. So again, we'll see if that does play out. Let's take a look at Tesla today. TSLA. Tesla right now trading at around 308.75. It looks like Tesla was upgraded by Piper Jaffray. Who would upgrade a stock up this much? I have no idea. But either way, that is the case. So Tesla being upgraded today. I would not own Tesla at this stage of the game at all. And again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. Maybe somebody else will upgrade it later in the week. Who knows? But again, this stock is just way too lofty up here in the clouds. And again, as much as it's a fan-loved stock, it's just way too high on the charts at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at Sprint. This is trading up in sympathy to the AT&T straight path deal. So if you take a look here at Sprint on the 10-minute chart, good surge. Now pulling back in a little bit, but again, stock closed at 838, trading at 867. If you own Sprint, I don't really see it getting above $9, but that's where it actually can go today. So try to trail your stop loss if you do own it there. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market. We have gold futures trading lower today by $6.70 to $1,250.60 an ounce. So gold is getting hit a little bit this morning. Take a look at the GLD. That's trading at around 118.90. Gold had a big pop on Friday but failed to hold its level, did reverse back down, and today gold a little on the weaker side ahead of the opening bell. If you take a look here at crude oil, we have crude oil trading up by 53 cents to $52.77 a barrel. So again, crude oil tries to approach that psychological big 53 level. If you take a look at the USO here, you'll see that's trading at $11.07, up from $10.96 on the close on Friday. So this oil ETF holding up pretty well this morning. Tomorrow is going, or tonight I believe, could be the start of Passover. So you just want to take that into consideration, and we'll see how this market plays out. But all in all, pretty interesting to see a Monday like this. Light volume day, but we have a lot of little moving pieces. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had a great week last week. We're going to look to keep that going this week right into the Good Friday holiday. So again, markets will be closed on Friday for the Good Friday holiday, but we got 4 days of pretty good trading ahead of us. So get ready, and if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.